Hello everyone, welcome back to Road to Ownership. Let's further our knowledge in real estate. Today our title is Energy Efficiency Improvements for Cost Savings. Before we continue, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. It will be greatly appreciated. Energy efficiency is a big deal for homeowners today. It's not just a trend, but a crucial aspect of modern living. With rising energy costs and growing environmental concerns, more and more people are looking for ways to make their homes more energy efficient. It means using less energy to power your home. This can be achieved through various means, such as using energy efficient appliances, installing LED lighting, and utilizing smart thermostats that optimize heating and cooling. This is good for your wallet and the planet. Lower energy consumption translates to reduced energy bills, which means more savings for you. Additionally, using less energy helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a healthier environment. By making your home more energy efficient, you can save money on your utility bills. Simple upgrades like installing energy-efficient windows and upgrading insulation can make a significant difference in your home's energy consumption. You'll also be reducing your carbon footprint. Every small step towards energy efficiency adds up, helping to combat climate change and preserve natural resources for future generations. In this video, we'll explore some common energy efficiency improvements and the cost savings they offer. From simple changes like switching to LED bulbs to more significant investments like installing solar panels, we'll show you how you can make your home more energy efficient and enjoy the benefits of lower energy bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Think of insulation as a warm coat for your house. It keeps the heat in during the winter and the cool air in during the summer. Proper insulation can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs. There are many types of insulation available, so it's best to consult with a professional to determine the best fit for your home. LED lights use much less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs. They also last much longer. Switching to LEDs is a simple and effective way to save on your electricity bill. Start by replacing the bulbs in your most frequently used lights. You'll be surprised at how much of a difference it makes. Section 5. Energy Star appliances, efficient and effective. Energy Star is a trusted symbol for energy efficiency, recognized by millions of consumers and businesses. It helps us all save money and protect the environment through energy-efficient products and practices. When it's time to replace your appliances, look for the Energy Star label. This label ensures that the appliance meets the highest standards of energy efficiency. By choosing Energy Star, you are making a smart investment that will pay off in the long run. Not only will you save on your energy bills, but you'll also be contributing to a healthier planet. Energy Star appliances meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the EPA. These guidelines are designed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and other pollutants caused by the inefficient use of energy. The EPA works diligently to ensure that products with the Energy Star label are truly energy efficient and environmentally friendly. They use less energy than standard models, saving you money in the long run. For example, an Energy Star certified refrigerator uses about 15% less energy than non-certified models. Over the appliance's lifetime, this can add up to significant savings on your utility bills. Plus, using less energy means reducing your carbon footprint, which is a win for the environment. From refrigerators to washing machines, there are Energy Star options available for almost every appliance in your home. Whether you're looking for a new dishwasher, air conditioner, or even a water heater, you can find an Energy Star certified model that fits your needs. By choosing Energy Star appliances, you're not only investing in your home, but also in the future of our planet. So next time you're in the market for a new appliance, remember to look for the Energy Star label and make a choice that's both efficient and effective. Section 6. Smart thermostats. Temperature control at your fingertips. Smart thermostats have revolutionized the way we heat and cool our homes. These devices learn your schedule and adjust the temperature accordingly. This means you're not wasting energy heating or cooling an empty house. Smart thermostats can lead to significant savings on your energy bill, especially if you're away from home frequently. Section 7. Water heating. A hot topic for savings, water heating is another significant energy consumer in most homes. Consider upgrading to an energy-efficient water heater, such as a tankless or heat pump model. These options heat water on demand, reducing standby heat loss. You can also save energy by simply lowering your water heater temperature a few degrees. Section 8. The financial benefits of energy efficiency. Making energy efficiency improvements is an investment that pays off over time. By upgrading your home with energy-efficient solutions, you can significantly reduce your energy consumption. This means that not only will you be saving money on your monthly utility bills, but you will also be contributing to a more sustainable future. You'll enjoy lower energy bills, increased home comfort, and a more consistent indoor climate. Energy-efficient homes are better at maintaining a stable temperature, which means fewer drafts and cold spots in the winter and a cooler home in the summer. This can lead to a more comfortable living environment for you and your family. Additionally, energy efficiency has a positive impact on the environment. By reducing your energy consumption, you are lowering your carbon footprint. This means less reliance on fossil fuels and a decrease in greenhouse gas emissions. Installing renewable energy sources like solar panels or wind turbines can further enhance these benefits, making your home even more eco-friendly. Many utility companies offer rebates and incentives for homeowners who make energy-efficient upgrades. These programs can help offset the initial cost of improvements, making it more affordable to invest in energy efficiency. Rebates can be available for a variety of upgrades, including insulation, HVAC systems, windows, and even energy-efficient appliances. Be sure to check with your local provider to see what programs are available in your area. Many utility companies have online resources and customer service representatives who can provide information on available rebates and incentives. Taking advantage of these programs can make a significant difference in the overall cost of your energy efficiency projects, making it easier to achieve a more sustainable and cost-effective home. Section 9. Share your thoughts and subscribe. One last thing, if there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Also, take a moment to share and like this video. Thank you.